Hello everyone, welcome to Gauda Speaks. I just got done with hashtag casually serious live session with the Mrs. India World 2013. Yay! So that is why there's so much of makeup on my face. A week ago I had put up a quiz on my Instagram account as to what would they want to see next. They wanted to see my skin routine and skin products. Considering your support, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share. This thing, we all know what this is. One of the best ways to take care of your skin is to have lots of water, keep yourself hydrated, avoid fried foods and sweets. There's something called CTM, that is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, which men and women both should do it because it keeps your skin very clean and healthy. It helps you maintain a pH level also of your skin, keeps your skin very clear and clean. This is the routine that I follow. To begin with, you're supposed to clean your face, okay, with a cleanser. Now I do not have a cleanser because I am at my grandmom's and I don't have a cleansing milk here. However, you can buy cleansing milk by Nivea. It is a really good product and I generally use that, and women both can use it. You clean your skin with cleansing milk. I have a lot of makeup on my face, so I will be using my makeup remover. I believe in beauty on a budget. I do not like to splurge a lot of money on these things and I prefer natural products. I use baby oil, Johnson & Johnson baby oil. I bet all of y'all know what this is. Right now I'm using the makeup remover. However, when I use cleansing milk, I apply the cleansing milk in circular motion very gently on my face. And cleansing milk will not only help you hydrate your skin but will also help you remove the impurities. Yeah, I've put on a lot of makeup. Almost done with my cleansing process, which is basically removing my makeup. Once you're done with this, probably you should keep it like that for like 2 minutes. Now, till the time it dries up and sinks in and all of that is happening, I would also want to let you know that it's very important for you to know your skin type. For example, me, my skin type is little oily and I get really oily out here. When I apply foundation, what happens is it throws a lot of oil out. Okay, मेरा skin बहुत ज़्यादा oily होने लग जाता है, especially if I'm sitting in heat or if I'm shooting. You should know what your skin type is. कोई लोगों का सिर्फ T-zone oily होता है, बाकी सब dry होता है. When I've started with menopause, their skin starts drying. They should moisturize their skin. Basically, CTM is for everybody. However, you should also know आप कौन से life के stage में हो. Like for example, you're a teenager, you have a lot of oily skin and acne prone skin. You need to and try accordingly and know which step has to be missed. For example, for me, I have already done the cleansing thing and now I will be toning. A lot of people use astringent or a toner which is very easily available. However, I don't like a lot of chemical on my face, so मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने जो गुलाब पानी है, I have just poured it in this bottle. Now that बहुत सारा time हो चुका है, for is they take a cotton or a cotton pad, ठीक है, they put a lot of toner on it and then ऐसे outward लगाना होता है. Now why is toner important is because जितने भी pores जो खुले होते हैं, वो pores है ना छोटे होने लग जाते हैं and it helps you shut those pores. When वो pores खुले रहेंगे, so if you go out, there is going to be a lot of dirt which is going to get stuck in those holes, and then there is going to be blackheads and whiteheads and dirt and all the icky, gross, nasty things which you don't want to be happening on your face. You put a lot of toner. Now this is only my first round of toner, and by the way, जब मैंने cleansing किया था, this much is the amount of makeup that has come out. I know you all don't want to see it, it's gross. Now toner also threw out thoda sa makeup, not as much. So this was my first round of toning. Now again I'm going to take more toner. Alright, actually this is how you're supposed to put toner, but I also prefer this. Because it is so much more refreshing and I like the smell of gulab pani.
Stop it! Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Just stop it. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Links of products will be given down in the description box. And also recommend a moisturizing cream. I do not do the moisturizing, the third part. That is because my skin is very oily. If I moisturize it, it's like oil के ऊपर मैं oil ज़्यादा और डाल रही हूँ. So you need to really know your skin type. Now men have to be careful because if you have facial hair, you need to do the CTM process. Be careful, do it properly. You don't have a beard, you've shaved. Sometimes what happens is you have dry skin here, वो थोड़ा white दिखता है. There again, when you're moisturizing and you're putting stuff on your face, you need to know what skin type is out there also, because sometimes क्या होता है आप dry करते हो और थोड़ा moisturizing is okay, but if you put a lot of moisturizing cream, a lot of men also tend to get acne. Have to know your skin type and you'll get to know how much and कितना कौन से quantity में product use करना है by trial and error. This is my CTM process. These are the products that I use for my skin. Now, in addition to this, I have found something really that changed my life, like during this corona period. Oh no! See you soon!